Hi Taurus, this is going to be a general reading for you. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is Judgment. Very good energy, Taurus. Um, I feel that you guys have been feeling a little stuck, a little overwhelmed because you're not getting some kind of communication that you were expecting from somebody. This person could be um, anyone, actually, could be your partner, somebody you like, somebody from your past, even a family member or a job opportunity. But I feel that they're not giving you that kind of communication that you were expecting. Right now, Taurus, I feel that you should just sit back and contemplate on your decisions on what exactly it is that you want, because I feel that any decision taken in haste is not going to turn out to be very good and fruitful for you, actually, because you haven't thought it through, and sometimes that just backfires. Sometimes impulse is good, but not right now. You're getting a lot of reversals. In the past, you did not. So you've got the Three of Wands twice, one upright, one reverse. Okay, you've got a lot of reversals. What is happening, Taurus? One more reversal. Wow. The Fool card. Cool. Not an issue. The thing is that in the past, you have felt this energy of not being able to concentrate on, love, or you were getting over something, actually, and you were not being able to concentrate on anything. You felt weak. You felt as if you were not worthy enough of somebody's love. You were not being able to take a decision. You had two people in mind, probably one in the mind, one in the head, one in the heart. Yeah, there was lack of stability. There was lack of a decision making skill. Yeah, you couldn't take the right decisions. You couldn't figure out what it is that you really want or need over here, Taurus. um, but as in when time passed, you came into this energy where you were like, it's okay. I mean, earlier everything was stagnant, everything came to a halt, then things started moving for you. And I see that there is a huge change of energy over here. You are paying more attention to your own um, needs, spiritual, mental, emotional needs. You're taking care of yourself. You've taken time away from people, from a partner, probably from family. You just isolated yourself, and you want to see things from a distance, Taurus. You want to pay attention to things that really matter to you. You want to live for yourself. And this person from your past, whoever it is, now it can be anybody, as I mentioned, partner or friend or whoever. I feel they had exited in the past, they left you, they only believed in taking from you and never giving back. They took your love, care, attention, compassion, everything. And when it came to giving back, they didn't. They just didn't give it to you. And they just walked off. It was as if it was their way or the highway type energy. And now, after deep contemplation, after change, so this time apart from you has made them realize what they missed out on, what they have unintentionally pushed away without realizing that you were a big part of their life and you gave them happiness, Taurus. And so that kind of happiness is very rare. Also, the people that they have in their life, this person, whoever this person is, whoever they have in their life, they're stressful. You, on the other hand, you were a fresh, I don't know how to put it. You were this distraction, beautiful distraction from their stressful life. And now they want to communicate. They want to come back to you and tell you, listen, I'm sorry. I think I messed up and let's just start afresh. But what I feel that they're stuck, they don't know how you'll react, Taurus. But I guess right now you don't need to do anything. You just need to contemplate whether or not you want this person back in your life. In case you do, you could give them a hint, probably. You could give them a hint and, let them know, okay, fine, let's give it another try. Around the um, 23rd, 25th is when I think you'll get some kind of clarity on this. You've got the judgment card as well over here. So I feel something is coming to a conclusion. You're going to be feeling very, you'll feel as if life has done justice to you, Taurus. You've moved on from a lot of other stuff. There could be a possibility with many of you that when this person comes back, you'll be like, not interested. You're not interested in this anymore. Because when you were, this person was busy being a sneaky person. They just left. It pushed you to this energy where you were forced to rest, forced to be on your own and think about things. But I feel it's done good to you. You know what exactly you want, Taurus. Now you're paying attention to things that really matter, which is you, your health, family, parents. Most of you may be reconciling with your father if you don't get along with him, which is a very beautiful energy to be in, because no matter what, this person really wants to talk to you and they will talk to you. But how you react is all up to you. You don't have to react according to what they want you to do or how they want you to go about things. Some of you may be planning higher education and you might be receiving some communication regarding your admissions or course details, or if you've taken help of a consultancy, probably they'll be getting in touch with you regarding offers or scholarships or something like that. Think it through before getting into it. Weigh your options and only then get into stuff, because see, Mercury is retrograde till November 3rd. So don't start something new till then, because it may or may not, turn out to be good. So think it through, think your decisions through, hold on to your tongue, because this time frustrates people. There's a very low tolerance for rubbish, and people do lash out at each other. Things go wrong. Communications go for a toss. So be patient with yourself and others, because it's not them, it's not you, it's the time, it's the circumstances. So just be patient with yourself and think your decisions through before taking them. And yeah, that's about it, Taurus. So let's just take some general messages out for you. Luck is on your side. You and your loved ones are safe. time to give rather than take, and conclusions are within reach, Taurus. Because you're good enough, you're great, Taurus. Literally. You're a good sign, you're all good people, and you've got two new moons. Oh no, you've got three new moons and two full moons, which is a great thing. Um, Conclusions are within reach. As I said, probably you'll be getting news about your admission or this person coming back and resolving an issue because you have the judgment card as well. So, and it's time to give rather than take. Give love to your family, you know, be with them, love your friends, love yourself before anything else. Within the next few months, in case you guys were thinking about a time period for something to happen, probably admission or something like that, um, within the next few months, it'll be done. So, yeah, Taurus, I think we're done here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.